Hi, my name is Pattison. I'm the Product and Marketing Manager here at Atlas Copco for the Energy and Metal Fabrication Division. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Power Focus Cross Country and how to create a torque program. So the first thing we're going to do is take our smartphone, which is already connected to the simplified HMI on the Power Focus Cross Country controller. We're going to select Tasks. Now this would be our list of tasks. Currently it is empty as there are no programs in the controller. We're going to add a program with the plus on the top right, select our strategy, which is Tighten to Torque. Then we're going to go in and name our program. So this program we're going to name Training. Done. Speed. I'm currently connected to a Revo 4000 tool. The maximum speed of this tool is 20 RPM, so that's where I'm going to leave the speed. Our target torque for this is going to be 1,000 foot-pounds. And then we're going to see underneath that our angle limits have pre-populated. Currently, the low limit is set at 850 foot-pounds. I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to change my high limit to 1,150 foot-pounds. Next, we can set our angle limits. I'm going to leave the low limit at 0 and the high limit at 3,600, which is 10 rotations. Then we're going to hit Apply, and our program has populated in our list of programs. Simply click on the program. It's going to take us to the results page, and the tool is showing P1 1,000 foot-pounds. And now we're ready to run the program. That was creating a torque program using the simplified HMI and the Power Focus Cross Country. If you have any questions, please reach out to your local Atlas Copco representative. Thank you for watching.